The 2016 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.